Hello everyone and welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Adisadel College, Osei Senior High School, and Apam Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Adisadel College is represented by
Isuman Prince Malcolm, General Science Final Year.
and
Clifford A.J. Final Year.
So Adisadel, you were the regional champions for Central Region, and so you gained an automatic entry to the 1/8 stage. Tell us, how has the journey been?
Oh, by the grace of God, everything has worked out according to what we've planned, and we know that the Lord Almighty is with us, and we will, victory is assured.
I wish you all the best. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School is represented by
Kyeretwie entry.
and
Osei Jude.
okay, Kweku and Jude, you are also welcome. So Osei Kyeretwie is the seeded school for this contest, and they said they'll be defending their seed. How has the journey been?
The journey has been great.
Okay, then I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Apam Senior High is represented by
Kwate Nana Kofi Edu.
and
Peter Rudolph.
okay, Nana Kofi and Rudolph, you are also welcome. Tell us, how has the journey been?
It has not been easy, but with God, all things are possible.
All things are possible. I wish you all the best. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a prime time production. Gentlemen, this contest has 5 rounds. We'll start from round 1. And in round 1, the questions are to each school. You have 10 seconds or 30 seconds if the question involves calculation to give an answer. Correct answer, maximum point of 3. An incorrect answer, I may pass the question on for a bonus, depending on the nature of the question. After I have ruled or the school has been belled out, then the other 2 schools, the first to press the bell, will have the opportunity to answer for 1 point, or a deduction of 1 point if that answer is incorrect. For this round, I'll start from Adisadel College, but it's a preamble to all schools. Calculate the power developed by the given force F when its point of application moves with the given velocity V. So I'll be given velocity and F, and you are to calculate the power developed. Okay? Adisadel College, F equals 18I newtons, and V equals 5I minus 12J, all in meters per second. Prince?
90 watts.
That's correct. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, F equals 1.6I plus 1.5J, all in newtons, and V equals 5.0I plus 4.0J, all in meters. Yes, yes, Jude.
Okay, we have 14 watt.
That is correct. Apam Senior High. F equals 6.0 I plus 17J, all in newtons, and V equals 4.0 J meters. Nana Kofi.
68 watt.
That's correct. A preamble. State one scientific character used in the classification of protest. State. So when I get to the school, state one scientific character used in the classification of protest. Adisadel College.
Their movement, that's by the form of locomotion.
Yes. Osei Kyeretwie. Jude.
Their cellular structure, that is either multicellular or unicellular.
Incorrect. Yes, Apam.
Their method of nutrition, either they are method of nutrition.
Nutrition.
Yeah, either they are autotrophic or heterotrophic.
Incorrect. So I have cytoplasmic organelles, shape, size, the ability to move, method of movement, the nature of nuclear structures, the number of nuclear structures, the number of membranes that surrounds the chloroplast, that is 2, 3, or 4, the presence of endo or ectoskeletal structures, then the type of chlorophyll and accessory pigments in the cell. Another preamble. Find the volume of the frustum of a cone formed when the segments of the given line from x equals 1 to x equals 2 is rotated completely about the x-axis. Find the volume of the frustum of a cone formed when the segments of the given line from x equals 1 to x equals 2 is rotated completely about the x-axis. Adisadel College. Y equals 2x minus 1. Yes, Clifford. Into the microphone.
Volume is equal to 13/3 pi cubic units.
Yes. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School. Y equals 2x plus 1. Yes.
We have the volume to be equal to 50.
Go on, 50.
Sorry, 21 pi.
No. Adisadel for a bonus.
49 pi over 3, all in cubic units.
Yes. Apam Senior High, y equals 3x minus 2. Yes.
52 pi cubic units.
Incorrect. Adisadel College.
7 pi in cubic units.
Yes. Another preamble. Give the product formed at the anode and cathode from the given electrolytic reaction. So I'll give an electrolytic reaction. You are to give the products that are formed at the anode and cathode for that given reaction. Adisadel College, electrolysis of molten lithium bromide. Yes, Prince.
So at the cathode, you have lithium metal, and at the anode, bromine gas.
Yes. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, electrolysis of aqueous sodium sulfate. Yes, Jude.
At the anode is oxygen gas.
It's 3.2 times 10 to the power 18 newtons. Adisadel College, name the parts of the insect body controlled by the formation of points of attachment of auxiliary sclerites for muscles. Yes, Clifford.
We have the true chanter.
No. For a bonus, the wings. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School. Name the structure modified to form the fangs or fossiples in centipedes. Jude.
The antenna.
No. Okay. The first set of legs. Okay. Apam Senior High. Name the part of the insect's antenna that articulates with the head capsule. Yes, Nana Kofi.
The skip.
Skip is correct. Add a preamble. Express B in terms of A, given that A and B are positive and distinct. Express B in terms of A, given that A and B are positive and distinct. Adisadel College. Log to the base A of B plus log to the base B of A to the power 4 all equals 5. Yes, Prince.
So, yeah, B to the power of B is equal to the fifth root of
The fifth root of
1 plus A to the power 4.
Incorrect. For a bonus. Okay. I'll give the answer at the end. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School. Log to the base A of B plus log to the base B of A to the power 3 all equals 4. Yes, Jude.
Okay. B is equal to A.
No. For a bonus. Okay. Apam Senior High, log to the base A of B plus log to the base B of A raised to the power 5 all equals 6. Yes, Rudolph.
Express B in terms of A.
So B is equal to A to the power 3, or B is equal to A to the power 2.
That is incorrect. Adisadel College.
So we have B is equal to A, or B is equal to A to the power 5.
No. You forgot something. The preamble says A and B are positive and distinct. So they have to be different from each other. So A cannot be equal to B, or B being equal to A. So the last one, the answer is B equals A to the power 5. And then the second one, B is equal to A to the power 3. And the first one, B is equal to A to the power 4. Right. The last set of questions for round 1, a preamble. Give the systematic name of one isomer of C7H14 that has a 5-carbon ring. Give the systematic name of one isomer of C7H14 that has a 5-carbon ring. Adisadel College. Yes. Clifford.
We have ethyl cyclopentane.
That is correct. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School. Yes, Jude.
2,2-dimethyl pent 1A.
No. Apam Senior High.
1,2-dimethylcyclopentane.
Yes. So the other options could have been 1,1-dimethylcyclopentane, 1,3-dimethylcyclopentane, and that ends round 1. So, before I give the results for round 1, a petition that I need to address on the first set of biology questions where they were to give the the scientific character used in classifying protists. I said nature of nuclear structures. I didn't say nature of cells. So those two are different, okay? So that answer cannot be accepted, right? So at the end of round 1, Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, 9 points. Apam Senior High School, 12 points. Adisadel College, 16 points. Round 2, the Prudential Life Speed Race. So in this round, questions are all, the questions are to all the schools. And the first school to press the bell will have the opportunity to answer for 3 points if it's correct. If it's incorrect, the second school that pressed the bell has the opportunity to answer for 2 points. If that is also incorrect, the third school still has the opportunity to ring the bell and they'll be allowed to answer. If it's correct, 1 point. All incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. This is speed race. So when you ring your bell, I'm expecting your answer to be ready. So this is not when you're going to tell me the value of X is, Amma went to school, so no. And this is what? Speed race, not tortoise race. So if it is 5, don't say 5. No dragging of answers. Please, do you understand me? Else I will not accept your answer. Go straight to the point. If it is 15, 15. If it is 2/3, don't tell me it's a fraction with numerator 2, denominator 3. Okay? Yes? Adisadel? No. Osei Kyeretwie, are you okay? Apam? Okay. So the speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Question 1, 30 seconds. A linear transformation is defined by T for xy given as 2x plus 3y, comma, 2x minus 3y. Yes, Osei Kyeretwie.
There is no determinant.
No. Find the coordinates of a point P given as xy if its image under T is Q given as 2, -10. Adisadel College. Yes.
-2, 2.
Yes. Seconds. A binary operation is defined on the set of real numbers by m star n equals m root 2 and n root 5. Evaluate, brackets, 3 star 5 brackets closed star 2. Osei Kyeretwie.
2 root 10.
Incorrect.
So 5 root 10 plus 11.
Incorrect. See, the time is going to take you to put your microphone on. Also count as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so leave your microphones on. All right? Okay. The bell has gone. Okay. 6 plus 2 root 5 plus 5 root 10. 30 seconds. Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 3x minus 2 all divided by 5x plus 1. Yes, Osei Kyeretwie.
X plus 2 over 5x minus 3.
Incorrect. Who else rang? Adisadel. Oh, 3, sorry. Yes, Apam Senior High.
The inverse x plus 2 all on 3 minus 5x.
Yes. "30 seconds. Find the volume of hydrogen gas produced at STP when 0.60 grams of
We have
Clifford.
4.48 DMQ.
You know it's not correct. When 0.60 grams of magnesium metal reacts with excess hydrochloric acid. Yes, Apam Senior High. Rudolph.
5.6.
So you were bailed out. You heard the bell. Yes. Just now, I told you not to put your microphones off. Oh dear. Yes, who else rang? You didn't ring it? Ah, okay. The bell has, oh, okay. All right. 0.56 decimeter cube. 30 seconds. So now you leave it on. Determine the concentration of the solution formed when 1.08 grams of glucose C6H12O6 is dissolved in 50.0 centimeter cube of solution. Adisadel College.
The concentration is 1.2 by 10 raised to
By, I didn't hear.
10
Okay.
raised to an exponent of 1 molar.
Incorrect. Apam Senior High.
0.120 mole per decimeter cube.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. Significant figures. I just said significant figures. Well, 30 seconds. The empirical formula of a compound is C3H4O. Determine the number of atoms in one formula unit of a compound given that its molecular mass is 392.2 grams per mole. Adisadel College.
36.
No. Osei Kyeretwie.
7.
No.
The time.
It is 56. Molecular formula C21H28O7. 30 seconds. Determine pressure required for an isobaric expression of a gas from 5 times 10 to the, sorry, it's supposed to be, determine pressure required for an isobaric compression, of a gas from 5 times 10 to the power negative 3 meter cube to 1 times 10 to the power negative 3 meter cube if the work done on the gas is to be 0.8 kilojoules.
We have 2 by 10 raised to an exponent of 5 pascals.
That is correct. Next, 30 seconds. A series LC circuit has L to be equal to 12 millihenry and C equal to 5.0 millifarad. Find the modulus of the reactance of the circuit at an angular frequency of 2.0 times 10 to the power 2 rad per second. .6 ohms. 30 seconds. Express 2.5 electron volts in joules. Adisadel College.
We have 4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 18 joules.
Incorrect. Who pressed next? 2. Osei Kyeretwie.
3.44 by 10 to an exponent of negative 17 joules.
Incorrect. Who else? Apam Senior High.
4.0 by 10 to an exponent of negative 19 joules.
No. Oh, it's 19. Sorry, it's 19. It's 19. Next 10 seconds. What name is given to the study of the Earth oceans?
Oceanography.
Yes. 10 seconds. What name is given to a plant that ends its life cycle?
A biennial plant.
No. That ends its life cycle after
Annual plant.
No. After flowering just once. Monocarpic. The last question for round 2. What type of connective tissues is needed by animals that live in cold climates to survive harsh cold conditions? It is the adipose tissues, and that ends round 2. Okay, so the second math question, I read the binary operation as m star n equals m root 2 and n root 5. I didn't give the operation. So I'll replace that question. So, 30 seconds. Evaluate the integral moving from 0 to 2 of the expression 3x minus 1 multiplying x plus 1 dx. Adisadel College.
We have 10.
Yes. And that ends round 2. At the end of round 2, Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School 5 points, Apam Senior High School 18 points, Adisadel College 19 points. Round 3. The problem of the day round. In this round, students are given a complex question, so you have 4 minutes to provide a solution on your interactive screens. After the 4 minutes, I'll grade your solutions. Then I'll read what the consultant has given and award marks. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Please go to the whiteboards on your screens. Go to the whiteboard. Yes. And after that, face the audience, put your pens down. Okay. Now lift the sheet. Lift it up. Don't put it on the table. Lift it up so everybody will see that you're not writing. The problem of the day is from mathematics. A closed box in the form of a cuboid has base x centimeters by 2 centimeters and a height h centimeters. The total surface area is 1,200 centimeters squared. A. Find an expression for h in terms of x. B. Express the volume V in terms of x only. And C. Given that x is a variable, find the maximum value of V. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes. So we have the solution from the contestants. Let's look at the solution from the consultant. So the surface, a closed box in the form of a cuboid has base x centimeters by 2x centimeters and a height h centimeters. The total surface area is 1,200 centimeters squared. A, find an expression for h in terms of x. So you have the total surface area to be equal to 2 multiplying the expression 2x squared plus hx plus 2xh. If you work this out, you get 4x squared plus 6xh equals 1,002. If you make h the subject, you should get 200 over x minus 2x over 3. If you're able to do that, 3 points. Then B, express the volume V in terms of x only. So V is 2x squared h. And we know h to be 200x minus 2x over 3. So if you multiply this by 2x squared, this should give you 400x minus 4x cubed over 3. If you're able to do this, 2 marks. Then, given that x is a variable, find the maximum value of V. So we take a differentiation of the volume, which is V is equal to 400x minus 4x cubed over 3. If you work this out, dV, these x will be equal to 400 minus 4x squared equals 0. And so you have x squared to be equal to 100. Therefore, x is 10. 2 marks for this. For maximum value of x, x is what? For maximum value of x is 10. So that would be the maximum value for the V. So if we take a second differentiation, you get d squared V over dx squared to be equal to negative 8x equals negative 800, which is less than 0, giving you the maximum. If you state this, 1 point. Therefore, the maximum volume will be equal to 400 multiplying x, in this case is 10, minus 4x cubed. X is 10, so 10 cubed is 1,000, all divided by 3. You should get your maximum volume to be 8,000 over 3 centimeters cubed. 2 marks. Now to the solutions from our contestants. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School. They started 1, but they couldn't finish. But for writing the correct formula, I gave 1 point. The same for B. They wrote the formula, but they didn't finish. So I gave 1 point for that as well. They attempted C, but since they didn't finish 2, they couldn't do C. So they get 2 out of 10. Apam Senior High, they were able to get the expression for A. So 3 points there. Then B, they would have gotten the correct answer, but they didn't finish. So when I asked them, they told me that was for C, not for B. So instead of writing the answer for B, they used it to start C. I specifically asked you. So I gave 1 for that. Then they went on to C, but they didn't finish. So another 1 point there. So they get 4 out of 10. Oh, sorry, 5. Forgive. So, Adisadel, they were also able to solve for the first part. Then they went to the second part. They got an answer, but they forgot that 2 times 2 is 4. So they wrote 400x minus 2x cubed over 3. instead of 4. So for writing the correct formula, 1 point there. Then they carried it to C, because you use B to solve what? C. So, yes, so because of that, they couldn't solve, C. So they get, so it should have been Adisadel before Apam, so they got 4 out of 10. And that's the end of round 3. So at the end of round 3, Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, 7 points. Apam Senior High, 23 points. Adisadel College, 23 points. Round 4. The Jupe true or false round. So during the NSMQ season, if an alumni of any of the schools contesting sends money to substitution. Oh, sorry, substitution. So for Osei Kyeretwie, I have Bernard coming in for Jude. Then for Apam Senior High, I have Emmanuel coming in for Rudolph. So, as I was saying, if an alumni sends money to his or her relatives in Ghana and you use the Jupe money transfer, their school will receive $20 from Jupe. In this particular contest, for Adisadel College, the promo code is ADISCO. You have to use the promo code ADISCO. ADISCO, all in uppercase. Then for Osei Kyeretwie Senior High, Osei Kyeretwie, OSEIKYERETWIE. Then for Apam Senior High School, it's Apam, APAM. All in uppercase. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. Round 4. I start from Adisadel College, but please, I'm the one reading the statement, okay? So all your focus should be here. At any point in time, should I see anyone looking into the audience, whether I'm reading a statement or not, please, the school will be penalized. So please don't look into the audience. We are good. Bernard?
False.
No. Apam Senior High, The electron affinity of oxygen is higher than that of nitrogen, as the addition of an electron to oxygen results in a more stable electronic configuration. Yes, Nana Kofi.
False.
No. That's a true statement. Adisadel College. So this is 30 seconds, please. The joule second is equivalent to the kilogram meter per second. Clifford?
False.
Yes. Osei, Kyeretwie Senior High. The joule per coulomb is equivalent to the Newton second per ampere. Bernard?
False.
It's false. Apam Senior High. The joule meter raised to the power -3 is equivalent to the kilogram meters raised to the power -1 second raised to the power -2.
True.
It's true. Adisadel College. The capillary membrane is more permeable than the cell membrane. Clifford?
True.
It's true. Osei, Kyeretwie Senior High School. The capillary membrane separates blood from the intracellular fluid.
Outside. False.
Yes, it's false. Apam Senior High, albumin can always pass through the capillary membrane.
False.
It's false. A preamble. If the roots of the expression 2x squared minus 6x is equal to x, then if the roots of the expression 2x squared minus, if the root of the expression 2x squared minus 64 is equal to x, then if the root of the expression 2x squared minus 64 equals x, then Adisadel College, x equals plus or minus 8. Yes, Clifford?
True.
No. Osei, Kyeretwie Senior High, x equals -8. Yes, it's false. Apam Senior High, x equals 8.
False.
No. Adisadel College. Carboxylic acid generally have high boiling points than alcohol due to stronger hydrogen bonds.
False.
No. Look here. Osei, Kyeretwie Senior High, both carboxylic acids and alcohols form two hydrogen bonds between their molecules, leading to dimerization. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Apam Senior High, the presence of a more hydroxyl group in an alcohol increases its boiling point.
True.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. 30 seconds for this as well. A 2-kilogram particle moving at 50 meters per second undergoes a completely inelastic collision with an oncoming 4-kilogram particle moving at 25 meters per second. I take it again. A 2-kilogram particle moving at 50 meters per second undergoes a completely inelastic collision with an oncoming 4-kilogram particle moving at 25 meters per second at Adisadel College. The kinetic energy lost in the collision is 2,500 joules. Clifford?
False.
Yes. Osei Kyeretwie, the collision stops the particles.
Right.
True.
Yes, it's true. Apam Senior High, the kinetic energy lost in the collision is 5,000 joules.
False.
It's false. A preamble. Animals can be classified by using Adisadel College, their body symmetry. Yes, Clifford.
True.
True. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High, the method of energy production.
False.
False. Apam Senior High, the presence of a body cavity.
True.
Yes. The last set of statements for round 4, preamble. Pi can represent Adisadel College, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Clifford?
True.
It's true. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High, the period of the function f of theta equals sine theta.
False.
False. Apam Senior High, the period of the function f of theta equals tan theta. Bernard, Emmanuel.
True.
It's true. And that ends round 4. Okay, so before I give the results for round 4, petitions to address. The first set of math questions, that's the root of the expression 2x squared minus 64, all this equals x. To Adisadel, I said x is equal to plus or minus 8. Yes, when you solve the equation, you will get x is equal to plus or minus 8. But you have to put it back into the equation. If you do that, if you take 8, you will get 8 is equal to 8, which is correct. But if you put negative 8, you get 8 is equal to negative 8, which cannot be true. So that is a false statement. Then, Apam Senior High had x is equal to 8. I just explained. You get 8 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8, which is a true statement. And you said false. Okay. Then, the chemistry question Carboxylic acids have high boiling points than alcohol due to stronger hydrogen bonds. So this is a true statement because if you take 2 molecules of alcohol and 2 molecules of carboxylic acid, the alcohol will form only 1 hydrogen bond. The carboxylic acid will form 2 hydrogen bonds. So the carboxylic acid will have a stronger hydrogen bond than the alcohol. So it's a true statement. So at the end of round 4, Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School, 20 points. Apam Senior High, 33 points. Adisadel College, 33 points. We move to round 5. Round 5. Yes. Okay, round 5, the riddles round. I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. One particular thing. No ambiguity. And you can stop me at any time by ringing your bell. If you give a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, you have to wait for us to move to the next riddle before you join us. At stake in this round is the Girl Riddle Bonanza, which rewards a school that is able to solve 3 riddles correctly, 8,200 cedis. If you solve all 4 riddles correctly, 1,600 cedis. The Girl Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Girl Good Energy. Can we have some good energy in the room? Good energy. Give them good some yes. Yes. Also, I'm the one reading the riddles, so your attention should be on me. Please don't look into the audience. Don't look into the audience. Okay? Riddle number 1. I am an inorganic salt of a transition metal. I am commonly used in agriculture as a fungicide. I am a white crystalline solid in my anhydrous form. I turn blue when in contact with water. Apam Senior High.
Copper chloride.
Incorrect. I continue. As such, I am commonly used as a test for water. Yes, at Adisadel College.
We have copper 2 sulfate.
Yes.
That's a timer or the kind.
Next riddle. I am a transport process. I am an energy transfer process. I involve diffusion. I am Osei Kyeretwie.
Active transport.
No. I am one of the ways in which heat transfer occurs. I am also the means of charge transport in a metal. Who? Apam Senior High.
Conduction.
Yes. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a type of white blood cells. We are the least common types.
Basophils.
Yes. Yes. I was on the second clue, 4 points. The last riddle. The last riddle. I am a two-digit number. I am an odd number. Yes.
81.
No. Number. I am a square. Yes, Apam.
25.
No. Osei Kyeretwie. Yes, it's 49. And that ends round 5. We've come to the end of the contest. But before I give the scores, let's acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by Joy News, PEP Students, Jupe Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, Charles, YFM, and the Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from the 7th to the 23rd of November 2024. Join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. At the end of the contest, this has been a very competitive contest. Osei Kyeretwie Senior High School had 23 points. Adisadel College, 36 points. Apam Senior High School, 40 points. Adisadel College and Osei Kyeretwie Senior High. Unfortunately, the journey ends for you here. Hopefully, next year, we will see a comeback. Apam Senior High, congratulations for winning this contest. and qualifying for the quarter-final stage. But unfortunately, your score is not the highest for the day. You could have won the PEP Student Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The PEP Student Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by PEP Students. Every smile matters. I am Dr. Anita Opon, your quiz mistress, and this is a prime time production. Thank you.
From the Apam students, some Chamba songs going on in here. They've been able to eliminate the regional champions. To some of the students here. Now, tell me how are you feeling right now? Okay, you've eliminated your original champion.
Yes, so we are feeling very happy. We know it hasn't been easy from the beginning, but we have been able to come out of the land of the Egyptians, and we are going straight to the promised land.
Okay, now you are moving to the quarterfinal, and moving forward, you are likely to meet other equally good schools. What do you have to tell the other schools that you'd meet?
We are ready for you.
We are.
We are.
All right, now let's get speaking to other ones. Now, are you an old student?
Yes, I completed 2023.
Now, how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, the energy is too much. Like, I can't express my feelings. But the God Almighty showed us that today He brought us, and today He has shown us that He really brought us. So what I want to say is, we thank the Almighty God for bringing us to this final. We thank God.
Now, you know, the scores was very close. In fact, it was just bracket points from the third round to the fourth round and the final round. You guys sailed through. How are you feeling, knowing that it was dicey at that moment? How are you feeling?
When I was sitting there, I was not shaking because I knew this year God will show us, because I know I had trust in my boys and I believe them that they can make everything possible. Because when it got to a time that we were on the same point with Adisadel, I knew that God would bring us through, and He did it too. So what I can say is thank you, God, for bringing us to where He has brought us. Thank you very much.
Sure. Now, so let me just get closer to these students. The students, how should I say? Now, kindly join me here. Wait. What do you have to tell the schools that you are meeting in the next day, the quarterfinal?
You know that. You know what I'm saying. You know the fear and battle things. What we say, we be the champions forever. We winning forever. You know that?
Yes.
All of them in Chabua, Obiaya Chabua.
Well, we're still here with Apam Senior High School, the winners for this contest. Now, let's get closer to speak to Okes. We spoke to them before the contest started. These are the contestants from Okes. Kindly join me here. You kindly join me here. Let's face the camera here. Now, how do you feel right now? Your colleagues, your fellow students, they were very sure that you were going to sail through this contest. How are you feeling right now?
Okay, so right now, I don't even know what to say, because we thought we were coming to do our best, but
your best wasn't enough for you.
But the Lord has guided us. So next year we are looking forward to bring another performance.
All right, well, these are students from Okes, that's Osei Senior High School, and they were also part of this contest. But then we are still right here. I'm here with the coordinator from Apam Senior High School. Now, you were very confident of a win earlier when we spoke to you. How are you feeling right now, knowing very well that I remember your exact words. You said that you're coming here to dethrone your Central Regional champions, and you obviously did that. How are you feeling?
Very happy. But you know, I think I told you that we are using a different strategy compared to what we used in the finals of the Central Regional Championship. So I told you that they are expecting the same team, but they are going to see a different group. And I told you that the mere fact that Swedru has been able to do it to Kumasi High, meaning we can also do it to Adisadel. And that is what we did. We came in with fire and we were ready to dethrone anybody. And I told you we are taking contest by contest, and that's what we've done. So the next contest, watch out.
Okay, all right, well, thank you very much. And he's the coordinator from Apam Senior High School. And I have students from Adisadel. Let's speak to them real quick. Students from Adisadel, kindly join me here.